benches or right away chairs for more Philippines. Mission of your banner, union banner, you can place it. Union officers and staff here in front. Southeast Asia Union mission in Singapore is he with us now? Pastor Ben? Officers of Northeastern Mindanao Mission, Pastor Solomon B. Mungaya, President. Brother Samuel Andrade. And we have honored the former directors of the three missions, the Executive Secretary and Treasurer, Brother Ronald Hazel Ramos, and the Publishing Director is Pastor Neil Luis Mama. Okay, Mama, Rodrigo G. Jimenez. The Executive Secretary, Pastor Mamelto Ibingin. Wala tayong sila.
Now we come to the host of this eventful 9th National Literature Evangelist Convention. First of all, we will begin from the delegation of the Central Visayan Conference under the leadership of Pastor Whittington P. Barreta. Shall we let him stand, Pastor Barreta? And we ask you.
Oh,
lead by our special invited singers, the music creation. And then that will be followed with the opening prayer.
May I have the honor to welcome and introduce our special guest from the City Mayor's Office of Mandaue, Mr. Magno Garcia. Of the General Conference, Elder Howard Feigl. And from the Southern Asia Pacific Division, consisting of 18 countries in Asia Pacific region, the Publishing Ministries Director of Southern Asia Pacific Division, Elder Vivencio Bermudez. And to all our guests and to all the delegates of the 9th National Convention of Literature Evangelists, visitors and friends, I say welcome, welcome, welcome.
Have you ever realized that the year 2009 is a special or a very significant year? We are all aware that the World Church leadership has declared the year as 2009 as the year of evangelism. This is a special year. Why? Because for Central Philippines, this is somewhat special. Because there are 3 big events that are being held in our Union territory. Last week, there was the Biunion, the South and the Central Philippine Union Conference Treasurers and Accountants Seminar held right here in Cebu City. This week, we have also the division-wide fundraising seminar held. In fact, it's still ongoing right there in Planta Hotel, Bacolod City. That's why I was there for 2 days. I arrived last night because I don't want to fail my appointment during this great convention of God's people. And in fact, our seminarians, some of them came from Saipan, from Guam, from Indonesia, from Jakarta, and from East Timor.